This video will show you the basics of installing the NRCR wireless push button kit for use with the on-demand mode of the NRCR. The push button kit includes the following items: installation directions, wireless receiver, 3 mounting screw sets, 2 double-sided adhesive pads, 2 wireless transmitters, a wire connector, and 3 AAA batteries. Up to a total of 6 transmitters or motion sensors can be paired to one receiver. Start by turning off the remote and disconnecting the heater from power. Remove the battery cover and insert the included AAA batteries. As an alternative, you could use the micro USB connection to power the receiver. Please note, do not connect the receiver to USB power if batteries are inserted. You will need to supply your own micro USB cable and power adapter. Simply plug in the USB cable to the receiver, then plug the power adapter into an outlet. To use the transmitters, you need to remove the battery tag. Open the transmitter from the top, then remove the battery and tag. Replace the battery, then snap the cover back into place. Verify the connection between the transmitter and receiver by pressing the button on the transmitter. The receiver should flash 4 times. Grab any additional items and test them as well. If the connection fails, please refer to the pairing directions. The receiver has a magnet on the back to easily attach it to the unit. Remove the 4 screws securing the front cover and take it off. Locate the black wires with red crimp terminals labeled on-demand switch. Cut the red crimp terminals off, making sure to cut as close to the connectors as possible to maximize the wire length. Feed the 2 signal wires wrapped in blue through the designated throughway at the bottom of the unit. Strip a small amount of insulation off the black wires. Grab the included wire connector. Lift the tabs up and insert 1 wire into each opening. These wires are not polarity sensitive. Make sure the wires do not pull out. Repeat the same steps for the other side. Once again, making sure the wire connection is snug. Reconnect power to the heater, then press the down arrow on the remote. 99 should start flashing on the display. Press the up button several times until you get to 22. Hold the settings button for a moment so the priority light starts flashing. Press the up button once to 23 and hold the settings button so the priority light starts flashing. Press the up button once to 24 and make sure the priority light is not flashing. If it is, press the settings button to turn it off. Continue pressing the up button several more times until you get to 3B like Bravo. Then hold the settings button until the priority light starts flashing. Now hold the up and down arrows together until the display goes blank and starts beeping. The unit is now programmed to on-demand mode. After a few seconds, you may turn the remote on. Test the push-button kit by pressing the button on the transmitter. The pump in the unit should activate momentarily. Once everything is confirmed to be working properly, put the cover back on and hand tighten the 4 screws securing the cover. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe if you found this helpful.